want shoot music video.
Ah, what I said a music video.
What is it now?
What's this?
Not a music video. Now question and answer.
Okay. Hope it's not about academics.
No, it's not about academics. It's about Nigeria.
Okay. You do that.
Guys, welcome to another video on our episode of Living in Nigeria. If you're new to the channel, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Today, I'm on my way to Ife, OAU University to be precise. Quite a lot of people believe Nigerians are very ignorant and very egoistic, and they believe we don't know anything about other African countries. So today, I want to put that notion into test. So today, asking the students trivia questions to say about other African countries and people in general. So I'm really hoping they don't disappoint, because Nigerians are not ignorant. I mean, not egoistic. We are very
of Ife, Osun State, and we're going to be asking the students of Obafemi Awolowo University some basic questions they should know about Nigeria and Africa at large. Come along! How many countries are in Africa?
How many countries do we have in Africa?
Yes.
Can I still remember? I guess 50, I think 54, thereabouts. 55.
Come on, man.
190, 50 something.
Tell me the answer, please. I can't remember.
You're on the right path, so just keep going.
As to the 190 or as to the 50 something, 52?
No.
57?
No. You have just one more trial.
50, 56.
No.
50 what?
54.
54?
Yeah.
Why did they I don't know. Pass.
54.
What shall I say unto the Lord? Yes, Lord. All I have to say, thank you, Lord.
54.
Okay.
I think I had
Africa.
50 something.
54.
Have the most pyramid.
Egypt. Of course.
N-O, no.
You say?
Egypt.
Okay, let's assume.
Really?
You need to come close to me.
Egypt. I know that one.
African country.
Sudan.
Most pyramid is Egypt. Sudan.
Yes.
Yeah, why in Egypt? You say number of pyramids. If they want in Egypt, they want the mummies.
Pyramid. Egypt. Egypt is in Africa.
The richest man ever. What's his name?
Solomon.
Abida, that's what the Bible says. Yes, I have.
Yes, and where is it from?
It's from Africa.
Mensa
Yeah.
Musa.
Yeah, you for talk and since now.
Can we say ever? Because I guess somebody can come up one day and be richer than him.
Till date. Let's say till
date.
date. Yes.
Elon Musk now.
Okay. Where is it
Get
from?
money past Elon Musk. Well, I haven't gotten to read about him, so I don't know.
It's Masa Musa.
Where is it from?
Masa Musa. It's from Kenya now.
But I myself was an expert palm wine drinker.
Richest man that ever lived. I don't know, but I shall know the current richest man. That should be Jeff Bezos now.
N-O, no.
Musa of Ethiopia.
Okay.
He's the richest.
Okay.
However, from the perspective of this contemporary time,
You like what they call quarantina. That is double quarantination. Quarantination, which is an extended value of quarantine plus nation equals quarantination.
I guess it's Elon Musk. I don't know.
Okay.
It's debatable, actually.
All right.
It's debatable.
Yes, sure. Do that Ondo, like inside Ondo State, there's Ondo as a tribe on his own. You don't know. Where I know or not, I'm telling you. There's Nupe, there's Fulani, there's Steve, there's... These people that say they used to die in car accidents. There's one tribe that used to die in car accidents. It's 4-letter words like this.
So they just died in car accidents?
They say they used to die in car accidents. They travel out of their states or out of their locality. They will die on the way.
You see how the mothers just they graduate? They go up. You see?
In this Nigeria?
It's from south.
Okay, team.
Okay. You can help him too.
Kanuri.
Okay.
Ibira.
Yeah.
Ijo.
Okay.
Idomba.
Dabulabi, #1.
Whoa. Okay. Okay, we have Steve. We have video. We have Gala. We have
Efik. Ijo. I'm not even very.
Igbo is.
I'm from the theory.
No.
We mentioned that. We mentioned team we've tried. Urobo.
Yeah, I don't remember. But we have Steve.
Yeah.
We have Isekiri.
Yeah.
We have Isoko.
Yeah.
We have Kanuri.
Unstoppable.
Sangali.
The statement maker.
Yes, North.
Oh, okay.
We have Buzu.
Hits maker.
Alright, you are already
have
past
Fulani.
5.
Okay,
Alright. In
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
T, Libira, Kanuri, Fulani. Okay.
The Kanuri, the Nupe, the Gala,
Okay.
the Tiv, and then the... Let's see... one...
What's the cleanest city in
Kigali,
Africa?
Rwanda.
Okay, thank you very much.
It's not Lagos, it's not Ibadan. It's not anywhere I've been to.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
I watched a documentary about this. They had a genocide here recently, I think. They started cleaning up the whole place. I can't remember, sorry. Rwanda, yes.
Nice.
Equatorial Guinea.
Nah.
Yes, cleanest city in Africa. Oh my God. I've forgotten.
Alright, the cleanest city in Africa is Kigali.
Kigali. Oh.
Cleanest city in Africa.
Nigeria in Ireland.
Oh God of mercy. Oh God of you see.
Nigeria, really?
In Irony, actually.
In Irony, okay. Okay, so.
It's a big one. That's a big one.
The cleanest city
Cleanest.
in Africa.
Yeah.
I think that's Tunisia.
Tunis.
Yeah.
You mean?
I think.
City.
Yeah.
I don't know,
I
but
think-
I would
I think-
guess
It's not-
Johannesburg.
No, it's not big Johannesburg. I think it's Cairo.
They have failed. Fail, failure, failest. Huh?
Okay.
Let's go back to Egypt.
I'm not sure.
Don't let us keep assuming.
Okay.
Cleanest
Yes.
city in Africa, South Africa.
Oh, you're sorry, say.
It's okay.
Wow.
Yeah, of course. Nigeria share boundaries with Cameroon.
Alright.
Cameroon is a neighboring country. And even the Republic.
Yeah.
The Republic, we share boundary with the Republic. Another neighboring country is Ghana.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Ghana. And the last one,
Niger.
Niger Republic.
Of Nigeria.
Yeah.
We have Cameroon, we have Niger, we have Benin Republic, we have
Mali, Chad. Niger.
Yeah.
Chad.
Yeah.
What was this one? This one by Kai. Togo.
Yeah.
Yes. It happened to now, please. I don't know it. What's it try?
Benin Republic.
Okay.
Cotonou.
What do you mean by that?
Okay.
I guess these are the three closest.
Okay.
Five what? Tell him.
5 vowels.
All the five vowels. Nigeria no get. Vowels. A-E-I-O-U.
That's crazy. It's actually very crazy.
Okay. Ghana, no.
African country that have the 5 whales in there.
Uganda.
They can't get it. We can't be Uganda.
Pass.
All
Okay,
right.
you can say pass.
You did smile.
Five
That
hours.
one reach you.
Where we was here. This time in
Havana, uncle. Okay, now just give it a try.
Mozambique.
Number 1.
Ukraine. You say it's Ukraine. There's no O in Ukraine.
An African country.
An African country. Equatorial Guinea. And I've talked about Equatorial Guinea just now. It's Equatorial Guinea. You think I go off this man next time where I jam?
African countries.
Yeah.
They have
All
all
the five
vowels.
vowels.
Ah, you finally caught me.
We got him.
Ah, you finally
have?
caught me. Yes. I've been answering all your questions, like I've been flowing, but this one, it's a headshot. Okay. Can I think of some? Let me see if I can. All the 5 vowels.
Has every single one of the 5 vowels in it.
Wow. Okay. I'm thinking of Cameroon. Cameroon as A, okay. A-E, Cameroon. O, Cameroon. U, Cameroon. No. It doesn't. I give up. I give up.
All right.
We don't know.
A-E-I-O-U?
Yeah.
We don't have it in America, no, it's not there.
No,
wait,
African.
Africa.
Africa.
Okay,
Yeah.
Africa. Let's say Africa. Burundi. Do we have in Burundi?
Burundi. Doesn't have it. A-E-I-O-U.
Okay, we don't have in
Doesn't have
Burundi.
it.
Let's see. Cameroon. We don't have in Cameroon. Wait.
In Africa?
Yes,
Africa.
we do.
I think let's
We
see.
even have 2.
Okay, can you get me out?
Yes, I can.
What
But
part of
you have to
Africa?
subscribe so you can get that on our YouTube channel.
Okay, just let me know something.
Okay.
Is it
One is in Southern Africa and the other one is in Central Africa.
Central Africa?
Yeah.
Central Africa.
Thank you. You just have to subscribe just so you can know more about this
That's the
Africa.
idea.
Okay. Why Africa?
We live in Africa.
Yeah. It seems I don't even know plenty African countries like that. But then maybe Equatorial Guinea, Malabo, because of the environment.
Zimbabwe.
Cotonou.
South Africa.
Alright.
Yeah.
Kenya. I'll choose North Africa or Egypt. Yeah, Egypt. Alright. Yeah. Liberia. Okay.
Nigeria.
I love South Africa. South Africa.
Okay, alright.
I love Soweto.
Okay.
I don't know. I think it will still be Nigeria.
It will still be Nigeria. I like you. You're Nigeria to the core. Still be an African. Yes, it must. We are Africans. Africans are we. Africans are who? What's that thing they say? Let's see. Egypt.
I think South Africa.
Why?
You have Africa,